So what I'm gonna do is rough chop these. And blend it with the garlic. And then I'm gonna show you the squeeze that I put into it to get the juice out. Put the onion, and I have 3, 4, 5 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna put it all in. Now you really just want to liquefy it. So hot. I'm just going to squeeze it all out. Okay, you should have pretty much like desiccated. So that's that, and then what we're going to do with these, squeeze them into the and this will become the base, the baste for the kebabs. Other side.
That's the wrong side. Try the other side.
You like it? No. So, onion, garlic, lime zest, tarragon, salt, pepper, sumac, baking soda, pepper, and then saffron. In here I have 80-20 sirloin, 80-20 chuck, and then I have 2 rolls of Jimmy Dean sauce, country sausage, 1 hot, 1 regular. And then I'm just gonna start adding in, this is my onions, garlic, and tarragon with lemon zest. Here's my dry ingredients, which is the baking soda, the sumac, the salt, the pepper. That's it. And then I'm also gonna add the saffron. How much is this?
A tablespoon of saffron, a little bit of salt, and some rose water.
Okay. We use rose water because we fancy like that. And then I'm just gonna mix this in silence until it's a paste.
In silence?
Yeah, because you're
Oh, you're telling me now.
Yeah. So you can put it down once you have it. I'll just keep mixing it until it's done. Put it down with my fist. I like gloves for this right now because the meat is cold, so it's not going to stick to you. But if it does start sticking like this, a little bit of water. And just so it doesn't stick anymore. And that's it right there. That's what it looks like. And so I put it all together. Okay. This is the base for the meat, for the beef, the baste. So it's 2 sticks of butter, 3 limes. All right, so that, and then from the other day, we have the onion juice and the other limes. So that's 6 total, I guess. I like it tangy. And then I'm gonna add some sumac, probably like a tablespoon. Yeah, like a tablespoon. And then, once again, like about a teaspoon or so of pepper. And the same with salt. This is pink salt, so it's saltier, so I'm not gonna use it. And both of these are gonna be on low. The secret is to wet your own hands in a little bit of water and then take a piece and round it out best you can. And then get it as even as you can.
When he dumped the stuff, the smell good stuff or whatever.
I had an air pressure thing, but I don't keep it because it's way too strong, so I get it sitting out, and I lifted it, and that's how I had some of it. And I said, did you turn this on? And he said, probably.
No, I think he said, I thought he said possibly.
Possibly. Either way.
But yeah, it's the same, the choice of word.
Same concept, yes. So I got a phone call.
So after we put them back in the fridge so they get cold again, so they stay tight. So when I sear it, it doesn't really fall apart. So I'm bring my heat a little bit back up. These are just some chickens that I needed more color. I'm gonna do the smaller ones on this side first. I'm trying to. It's right in there. Okay. This is kind of spins bounded. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna let this do its thing. I want it to stay tight. I don't want it to loop. I want it to I'm gonna have to be really on it. You have to be really on it. Is basically what I'm saying. And when it's done, it'll literally release. In case one starts crawling.
Any type of cooking that lets you cook with sabers.
It's pretty damn good, actually. And like this can be used on the when you get your meat on the corn. This on the corn probably fish. All right. So all these are good. This whole tray can go. You're gonna need.
Get it hot and fresh.
Yep, those are just garlic.
And then
There's chicken under here.
oh yes.
Okay, let me get you some. Yeah, definitely. This is just butter sauce.
Tongs. We have tongs.
I thought that's what he was, I thought that's why he went out. I don't know. So yeah. Sorry.
Whole sleeve. Eat better.
No. And you peel back the. Aaron, what do you think?